Hi. So the next example for a right angle 2n, 3n, and so on. So in the previous video that we discussed, a right angle 2n is equal to 1 plus v to the nth power times a right angle n. So now that we think about a right angle 3n, a right angle 3n is in the same way 1 plus v to the nth power plus v to the 2nth power times a right angle n. So we would like to show this and prove. So we can do it in the same way. So we think about the payment of 3n years. So we start at the first payment start at 1 and 1 to n and n plus 1, n plus 2 up to 2n and 2n plus 1, 2n plus 2, 3 and up to 3n. So a right angle 3n is the payment of $1 each for 3n years. And this can be decomposed into 3 pieces. So first one, okay, so this can be decomposed into the first n payments. Present value is a right angle n. And the second n payments of $1 each. So this, the present value is the v to the nth power times a right angle n. And the third sequence of $1, so n years. So if we think about the present value as x and present value as y, present value as z, then x is equal to, so PV of x. Okay, so this is the a right angle 3n. So a right angle 3n is the PV of x plus PV of y plus PV of z, and the PV of x is a right angle n. Excuse me. A right angle n. And the next one, the y, is actually the n years deferred. So the v to the nth power, a right angle n. And the third one is the 2nth year. So this payment, for example, the present value at 2n is equal to a right angle n. And it goes back for n years. So we multiply the v to the 2nth power. So this is the present value of z. So this becomes v to the 2nth power times a right angle n. So actually 1 plus the vn plus the v to the 2nth power times a right angle n. So in this way, we can develop formula for a right angle 3n and a right angle 4n, 5n, and so on.